Hi everyone, Kit Cox here, CEO of eName. Just came out of a fantastic workshop with one of our clients, one of our great partners, and we were talking about how to orchestrate across a really complicated global business and really use that to drive massive change, huge savings. And it got me thinking about one thing. When you talk orchestration, it's so easy to jump to talking about process first. It's the easy conversation. What do we do? Give it names. What are the activities?
Okay.
But actually the complex thing when you've got a big organization is to talk about organization itself. Orchestration is about the marriage of organization and process. And actually understanding that organization first and understanding how it's going to change, that's where you have to start the conversation. That's where the complexity lies. Only then can you get into actually how do I layer my process into that organization. So when you're talking orchestration, particularly in a big global environment, think organization first and only then break into the conversation around how process layers into it. I'd love to hear your thoughts around that. Speak to you soon.